What's good, YouTube? It's Hayes, the shoe vet, the coolest veterinarian I swear you're ever gonna find on this earth, guys. Hayes_TSV. You can find me on that little app called IG. And I want to thank you guys for watching today's video, guys. I got a real quick one, a real short one for you guys. Before we get into it, I just want to remind you guys. So I'm getting really close to that 200 subscriber mark, and I do have a giveaway going. But you guys are leaving the comments and the likes and everything like that and subscribing. I do appreciate that. Remember, you do have to be following me on Instagram. It's, well, like I just said, Hayes_TSV. The link is in the description of pretty much every video of mine. So you guys need to be following that in order to be entered into it, okay, guys? Just want you guys to know that, so there's any, disappointments or anything like that. That being said, man, let's get into today's video, guys. This shoe came in a couple days ago. Got it for retail because I'm really tired of paying resale for things. All right, got our box. And before we do that, actually, we gotta get our little unboxing blade. Boom, unboxing blade. So I got this from Dope Factory. I think it's something overseas. Alright, coming straight out of the box. All black Nike box, Nike emblem on it. On the side, you got your label, Nike React, Element 55, KL, Kendrick Lamar. The color is pure platinum, clear wolf, and gray. Size that I got mine in is my true to size 9.5. We'll talk about sizing later. This shoe dropped on November 5th, 2019 for a retail price of $150. I think I paid maybe a little bit more than that just because it was from overseas, but I mean, resale really isn't going for that much right now. It may be $20 to $40 above retail right now, depending on your size. And actually, to keep it frank with you too, there's actually some sites that still have it in stock for retail. I think Hibbett has a few sizes, including this 9.5, if I'm not mistaken. And Antonia does have actually a fairly amount of stock still left in there. So you may be lucky to be able to cop for retail. But like I said, resale really isn't that much. It's a pull-out box, you can see. There's nothing really else special that's on the box. So when we pull it out, we're greeted with the Nike tissue paper. Ooh. Alright, so we got the shoe out the box, and on first impression, this shoe is very, very light. I think it's almost like maybe a pound or so. I don't have my scale with me right now, but it's super lightweight. It's going to be excellent for running. Breaking this shoe down though, the entire upper of the shoe is made of a textile material in this marble pattern. The big draw of it is, as you can see, on the lateral aspect of it's light and the medial aspect is dark. The meaning behind that is to kind of showcase Kendrick Lamar's alter ego between Kendrick Lamar and Kung Fu Kenny. The split pattern is broken between this nylon strip that runs up the toe box through the throat of the tongue. The laces, you do get an extra pair of white laces that are flat, has like these little rubbery studs through it. I'm not sure if they're 3M, I doubt it, but I'm not really sure, to be honest. The stock pair of laces is a gray tube-like lace. On your heel tab, you have that nylon material that can help, put the shoe on, and beneath that you do have some Nike branding with that swoosh. Running diagonally down from that heel tab, you do have like a silicone strip with some stitching through it. The back of the heel counter does have like a TPU kind of plasticky material. It's not going to react on the lateral aspect of it. Your lace holders are your typical nylon lace holders, and does have like some, not necessarily leather, but kind of like some soft cottony material to help lock it down. The textile upper of the shoe is super soft, but it is not see-through. I think that's something that's really just on the Nike React Element 78s. As you probably would have guessed, your midsole is made of Nike React material, and let me tell you, this is comfortable stuff. Okay, the Ultra Boost may be the king of comfort, but this is a very close second. I do have a pair of Nike React Prestos that I wear everywhere. I wear it to work, I wear it to the gym, I wear it to the grocery store, I wear it to the movies. I do everything just about in those shoes, man. I've beaten those things into the ground. So highly recommend the technology to check out if you have not just yet. Your outsole of the shoe is more of that Nike React material that does have Nike React branding on it, as well as the Nike swoosh. There are some rubbery pods that do help out with traction that I really do like. Overall, the sizing of the shoe, I went to my true to size if you've never tried an Element React 55, I think it's gonna be very simple. Just walk into your local Foot Locker shoe store to try some on. Me, true to size works just fine. For my wide foot people, you could probably get a way of going half a size up, since they may be this may be a little bit narrow on you, but I think your true to size will probably be a-okay. And with that, I think the only thing left to do is just show you how I put this on feet and show you how it looks. One, thank you for watching this video. Of course, subscribe, leave a comment down below how you think about this. How do you feel about Kendrick's, shoe record with the Cortezes and now this? Remember guys, 200 subscribers, I'll get that giveaway going out. But remember, you do have to follow me on Instagram too as well, okay? I just want to make sure you guys know that, so make sure you guys all have an equal chance of copying those shoes, okay? With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next vid. Peace.